Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kahila or Kay, and today we are crocheting juice boxes. Yes, juice boxes. So random, so weird, but I was going through this crochet book right here, Crochet Cafe by Lauren SP. I always want to say Epsy. Or anyway, or Etsy, but is SP, and she's also the author of the Whimsical Stitches crochet book, which is so amazing. But this one is like all about food. I bookmarked where the pattern is located, of course, if I can get to it. Boom! This is what the juice box looks like, or what it should look like. Because you know, me and my creations, you know, and I'm just creating a whole different thing, you know. But these juice boxes are so cute, and I just wanted to do something that was like cute and would look like cool jumbo size, because of course you should already know I am using Sweet Snuggles yarn, so I'll be using this color and red that I had left over from Valentine's Day, and I'll be using this color that is kind of like another color I used to always use, but then I just had this, you know. And I have extra red right here that I'll use first, and then I have the whites for the middle part. As you guys saw in the beginning, I got new hooks from Furls. So all the hooks that you saw in that little box that I showed, all of them are from Furls. And the box itself is also from Furls. It holds 10 hooks, and all of those hooks are from Furls. So the first 5 that you saw, the ones with the nice swirls and stuff, those are the streamline hooks. And then the last 3 are the Odyssey hooks. I'm gonna get 2 more Odyssey hooks, and then my collection will be complete because I won't need anything else. But most of the hooks I have, 3 of the streamline hooks are in size 6, and then 2 of the hooks are 8s. And then for the Odyssey one, I have 1/5, because for some jumpers that I'm working on, I need like a smaller hook than the one I usually use, just because it's the ribbing, and the ribbing can be kind of challenging with my regular size 6 hooks. So I have 1/5, and then I have 1/6 and 1/8, and so I'm just gonna get another 6 and another 8 and 2 other colors, and then that'll be it. I'm so excited. I love buying hooks. It just satisfies me so much. I'll be using one of the new hooks that I got. They literally came in today, so I was just like so excited because the tracking said it will be here between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. and I was like, I'm not gonna film until these hooks come in because I'm using these hooks. But anyway, this is what this hook looks like. It's called Cafe or something like that, I believe, and it is beautiful. Like, I'm so excited to use it. I'm not sure. I know I want to create at least 3 because I want to use the red, the peach, and this teal, blue, green type color. And yeah, I'll probably just create 3. Let's see how it goes, man. So I made it to the 5th row, 5 rows of single crochet across. It's so nice not working with the magic ring for these amigurumi creations. So cool. Anyway, so this next part is kind of confusing. I was reading this last night to see if I'll like understand it, and it's like, can I? Let's see if I can actually get it. Okay, it says single crochet around the edges. To do this, begin by placing a single crochet in the same space as the last single crochet you just made. So go back in this same hole, right, is what they're saying, right, and do a single crochet. This will help turn the work so you can work along the sides. Okay. Ooh, it did help me. Okay, okay. So then, voila, single crochet 3 and an increase in the corner space. So single crochet 3. So, oh wait, no, is it at the top? It kind of looks like this. I think I did that right. It's looking like a box. I don't know, let's continue. The next one says to single crochet 9 across and an increase in the corner. Okay, so I tried my best to find the stitches. This is what my stuff looks like so far. It's supposed to have 32 around, so I'm gonna go ahead and count and see if I actually have that, and if not, then yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we shall see. Guys, wait, I actually have 32 all around. What? I pat myself on the back. Oh my gosh, what an accomplishment. Okay, so now we are on row 7 and it says in back loop only, single crochet 32. So I'm guessing that's gonna start making our work go this way. And this might be the top. So like this way, and yeah. Ah, so exciting. Okay, let's continue. I am done with the first, why is this, don't mind this looking a little janky, okay, but I'm done with this first top part. This is so big. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. But anyway, I need to get my safety eyes, but I'm about to start on the white, which is exciting. I'm gonna add some safety eyes, so let's get it. guys, I'm done. I was gonna make 3, but absolutely not, and my battery's dying. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Like I was saying, I was gonna make 3, but this took way too long, longer than I thought it would, and I have other projects that I need to work on, so anyway, even though it took a little long, this is how it turned out. Wait, I just can't, and looking at it in the camera is so great. Like, this looks so good. Like, look at the straw. I didn't put anything in here. I just made the straw because in a pattern you can put, what is that thing called? Pipe cleaner. You can put pipe cleaner in it, but since this is thick yarn, I just made it and then just, you know, folded it over, bent it a little bit, and boom! And look at it. I did not add a mouth. I suck at mouths. And I'm just not gonna do it anymore, okay? Unless the creation looks weird without it. But you know what? I'll stick to eyeballs because I can put eyeballs on a creation. But anyway, this looks so good. Look at that. You know, I can get better at sewing these things together, but you know what? It looks pretty good to me, and I stuffed it real nice. You can see when I changed colors right here, the dents. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this turned out so great. Oh, this makes me so happy. I crocheted a giant juice box. That can be my title. It was gonna be, you know, crocheting multiple juice boxes, but I only did one, so I crocheted a giant juice box and it turned out amazing. And that's all I have for you guys. Let me know if you followed along with this pattern. It's in the Crochet Cafe by Lauren SB. And yeah, let me know what yarn you use, what size hook you use. If yours turned out great. I am still a beginner. Still a beginner. But this was like super fun. I might do it again. We shall see. We shall see. Also, let me know down below if you guys want to see me crochet anything else, anything specific. If you have any patterns that you followed or that you see that you want me to follow, just let me know down below because I love trying out new stuff. If you want to keep in touch with me, I'm always active on my social media. Instagram is the main one that I'm active on. I'm always on my stories every single day. And if you want to keep in touch, you can just, you know, contact me and I will most likely 99% of the time respond. And I'll see you guys in my next video.